Hi guys, this is life of Wanonga once again. How are you? I'm in Kenya right now and I'm in my garden. This is my garden right here. See, the maize is ready. You see, we have beautiful maize right here. This is what we call corn, but this is hard corn. It's all of us. Show them on the garden, both sides. Show them both sides. Yep. Let's keep coming down. Keep coming. Keep coming. This is a lot of corn. I told you guys coming to Kenya to enjoy and eat fresh corn. It is everywhere. So I'm walking here. With my son. Yeah, he's the one who is eating the food. The corn is everywhere. See? It's very nice. See? Show them over there. Yes. So guys, that's why I keep telling you to make sure you share. Every time I download a video, I'll be showing you how it looks beautiful. This is Kenya. This is Kabete, where I live. And see all the maize. We call it maize. Corn is everywhere. So guys, I'm here. Till next video. Make sure you share, like, subscribe to the life of Wanonga. Bye bye and God bless you.